Today we're going to show you the proper way to install a new pipe onto a two-stroke. Changing the exhaust on a bike is usually one of the first things people will do after purchasing a new bike. The benefits of bolting on a new pipe are increased horsepower throughout the power band, or dramatically increasing a specific part of the power band of your choice. A new pipe can also help save you weight over the stock pipe, unless you choose to upgrade to a stronger pipe that's going to hold up better through the rocks and other obstacles. So to begin, we're going to start by putting on a pair of safety glasses, and then we'll go ahead and remove the silencer. On most bikes, you'll probably have to remove the side panel in order to get to the mounting bolts. On this KTM, we don't have to remove any of the plastics in order to get to these mounting bolts. So once we've got both of them removed, we can go ahead and pull the silencer from the bike. Next, we'll move up front to the cylinder head and remove both those springs holding the pipe to the head. And we're using the Tusk exhaust spring puller to remove these, and this handy tool makes the job a lot easier and a lot faster. And with those springs now removed, we're going to move up to loosening the other pipe mounts. For these, we're only going to loosen the frame mounting bolt, and then we'll completely remove the bolt holding the pipe to the mount. We'll do that same thing for the second pipe mount, and doing this is going to make mounting the new pipe a lot easier. Now the pipe should be completely loose, we can go ahead and carefully pull it from the bike. On this bike, it was necessary to remove one of the threaded clips from the stock pipe and slide it onto the mounting bracket on the new pipe. We didn't need the rear insert off this stock pipe because our new pipe already has a threaded nut on it. And now's a great time to inspect our O-rings and make sure they don't have any tears or marks in them, preventing a good seal. And we have replacements available through the OEM diagrams or in an FMF pipe O-ring kit. We also have replacement pipe springs available if you need new springs as well. You'll notice that we decided to install the Trailtech flange protector onto this bike, and this part is specific to the KTM 250 and 300 two-strokes. Its purpose is to protect the exhaust flange from possibly cracking or breaking when the pipe receives a large impact from a rock or other object. You can view the install video for this on our website. Now at this point, we're going to clean up the exhaust outlet with a rag and some contact cleaner to give those O-rings a clean surface to seal with. And then we can go ahead and install the new pipe. Sometimes these can be a little hard to install, but we'll just work it back and forth until you get it to slide up into place. Next, we'll apply a little medium strength thread locker to those two pipe mounting bolts and then loosely reinstall them. The next step is to reinstall both those pipe springs. Again, we're using the spring puller for this. Once you have both those in place, the pipe should be loosely installed. Now we can move back and reinstall that silencer. Once you have it on the bike, apply a little medium strength thread locker to those two silencer bolts and then go ahead and thread those into place. We're not going to tighten these bolts down until a little later. When you're installing an exhaust system, you always want to start tightening the fasteners at the front first and then work your way back. So we'll start with the pipe mount bolts. And once all those are tight, we'll move back and tighten both those silencer bolts. And now that everything's tight, we're done with the install. If you have any questions about installing an exhaust onto your machine, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-336-5437. Rocky Mountain ATV MC carries a wide variety of exhaust systems for dirt bikes, ATVs, street bikes, and side-by-sides. Visit our website to see what we carry for your machine. Thanks for watching.